Ever wondered what it takes to move to the land of the maple leaf, the place of stunning national parks, vibrant cities, and a multicultural society? Yes, we're talking about Canada. Today, we're going to demystify the express entry process, the primary method of immigrating to Canada as a skilled worker. The express entry process may seem daunting, but we're going to break it down into easy-to-understand steps. First things first, express entry isn't a program, but a system used by the Canadian government to manage applications for 3 economic immigration programs. These are the Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program, and Canadian Experience Class. Step 1 in the express entry process is determining your eligibility. You need to meet the criteria of at least one of the 3 immigration programs managed by express entry. For instance, the Federal Skilled Worker Program requires at least 1 year of continuous full-time paid work experience, among other things. Step 2 involves creating an online express entry profile. This is where you provide information about your skills, work experience, language ability, education, and other details. Your profile is then scored using the Comprehensive Ranking System, or CRS for short. The higher your score, the better your chances of receiving an invitation to apply for permanent residence. The third step is receiving an invitation to apply. Every 2 weeks or so, the Canadian government holds express entry draws where the highest ranking profiles are invited to apply for permanent residence. If you're one of the lucky ones, you'll receive an invitation to apply, or ITA. Now, on to the fourth step. Once you've received an ITA, you have 60 days to submit a complete application for permanent residence. This application involves a lot of paperwork, including police clearances, medical examinations, proof of funds, and more. Finally, the fifth step is the decision. If your application is approved, congratulations! You're on your way to becoming a permanent resident of Canada. If it's not, don't lose heart. You can continue to improve your profile and hope for an ITA in a future draw. To summarize, the express entry process involves 5 main steps: determining eligibility, creating an express entry profile, receiving an invitation to apply, submitting a complete application for permanent residence, and waiting for a decision. Remember, the express entry process is competitive. The higher your CRS score, the better your chances of immigrating to Canada. So focus on improving your score by gaining more work experience, improving your language abilities, or obtaining a higher level of education. In the end, the express entry process is a journey, one that could lead to a new life in Canada. It might seem complex, but with patience, perseverance, and a clear understanding of the process, it's a journey that's well worth it. That's it for today's guide to the express entry process. Here's to your journey to Canada. May it be as smooth and rewarding as possible.